Step 1 of the Aqua Chem 4-step system to a clean, sparkling pool is balancing the water. To ensure you have a balanced pool, you must first test your water. When water is balanced, it has the right pH, total alkalinity, and calcium hardness levels. Properly balanced water improves chemical effectiveness, which prevents eye and skin irritation, formation of scale and corrosion, and cloudy water, which can save you time and money in the long run. Let's begin testing your pool water using Aqua Chem's 6-way test strips for easy, one-dip testing of all the essential chemical levels in your pool. To ensure accurate water testing, be sure test strips and reagents are replaced at the beginning of each season. Be sure to enter your test results using Aqua Chem brand's free, fast, and accurate water analysis tool at aquachem.com to get a personalized pool analysis, dosage recommendations, step-by-step instructions, and a shopping list of products for balancing the pool water. Now let's go over the products you'll need to balance your pool. The first level to check is total alkalinity. Balanced total alkalinity prevents major shifts in pH. If alkalinity is too low, the pH will be unstable and bounce from high to low very quickly. So use Aqua Chem Alkalinity Increaser. If total alkalinity and pH is too high, use Aqua Chem pH Down. Ranges may vary depending on pool surface type. The next and most important level to balance is pH because it affects pool water in many ways. Aqua Chem pH Up and Aqua Chem pH Down are the products necessary to keep pH at recommended levels, between 7.2 and 7.6. Unbalanced pH can cause itchy skin, eye irritation, or corrode equipment and pool surfaces. If pH is too high, use Aqua Chem pH Down, and if pH is too low, use Aqua Chem pH Up. Now on to calcium hardness levels. Too low causes corrosion of plaster finishes and metallic parts and accessories. Too high causes scale to form. For low calcium levels, use Aqua Chem Calcium Hardness Increaser. If they are too high, apply Aqua Chem Scale, Metal, and Stain Control to help prevent scale from forming and avoid unnecessary water replacement. Or, as a last resort, drain some water out and add fresh source water. Aqua Chem Stabilizer allows your chlorine to last longer by protecting unstabilized chlorine from sunlight burn-off. It is recommended for use when opening a new pool, in saltwater pools and pools that use liquid chlorine, or if a rainstorm or other event has overly diluted the pool. Now, to effectively kill bacteria and control algae, the pool water needs to have chlorine levels that remain between 1 and 4 ppm. It really is that easy. Look for all your Aqua Chem products at your local retailer. Everything you need is there to make your pool clear and sparkling all season long. If you need some help with your maintenance routine or proper steps to treat common pool problems, check out our other videos at aquachem.com.